What if I told you that something as simple as crushed rose petals could turn your garden into a blooming paradise? Let's uncover this secret. Roses aren't just beautiful to look at, even their petals hold hidden power for your plants. Instead of throwing them away, we're going to give them a second life in your soil. Rose petals are packed with natural nutrients like potassium, phosphorus, and trace minerals that feed the soil. As they decompose, they act like a slow-release fertilizer, boosting root strength and helping flowers bloom bigger and brighter. Simply take fresh or dried petals, crush them into small pieces, and mix them into the top 2 inches of your soil. You can also sprinkle them around the base of plants as a natural mulch. For even faster results, mix your crushed petals with a little rice water and pour into the soil of plant. This will speed up decomposition and release the nutrients quicker. Within days, you'll see healthier leaves, stronger stems, and soon blooms that look like they belong in a flower show.